Hi, my name is Anne and welcome to my channel, Lilacs and Lilies. Today I thought I would start with some fun videos to try and make English feel a little bit less scary for people who are learning English as a second or third or fourth language. So today I want to talk about superlatives and comparatives. So let's get into it. First, let's define adjective. An adjective is a word that can describe or modify a noun, right? A noun is a person, place, or thing. The car is beautiful. Beautiful is our adjective. When we have two cars and not one, we can compare those two cars, right? So we enter into the comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives are adjectives that are comparing one to the other using the modifier more, right? More beautiful, or pretty, which would be prettier. Do you recognize these sounds? We have and we have more. Is at the end of our adjectives that are two syllables or less. Pretty, red, big, small. These are all short adjectives that are two or one syllables to describe a car. When we use longer adjectives, beautiful, magnificent, these will be three syllables or more. With these three syllables, we are going to use more at the front and following the adjective. More beautiful, more magnificent. So let's review here. Our comparatives can be more, three syllables or more adjective, or which is our two syllables or less. So let's try to check and see if you learned the trick. Let's try. I'll give you first an adjective example. Try to say it out loud what you think the comparative is, and then I will put the correct answer on the screen. Beautiful. Good. We have more beautiful. Fast. Good. Faster. Faster. Quick. Quick. Good. Quicker. Quicker, right? That's one syllable. Quick. So we go quicker. Let's try one more. Happy. Happy. Yes, happier. Happier. Awesome. So that is our comparative adjectives. Okay, let's move on to superlatives. Superlatives are a way to compare three or more items, but to the most or least degree. So let's use our car analogy again. We have cars. We have three cars, right? We have a fast car and then a little bit faster, but this one would be the fastest. The fastest. So our superlative, we need two things. We need, for this example, we need the and ist. The fastest, right? The quickest. the quickest. This is saying that that car is the fastest, right? It is going faster than the other two. It's the same idea as our comparatives. So the fastest is our 2 syllables or less would be our ist. Quickest, fastest, reddest. But then if we start to play with beautiful, beautiful, that is 3 syllables. Can we say the beautifulest? It's a little strange, right? We would actually use the word most. So we could have the most beautiful, the most magnificent, right? Magnificent, 4 syllables. So when we use most, we have 3 syllables or more. This can be words like ambitious, beautiful, impressive, right? So let's practice. If I give you some adjectives, can you put them in the superlative form? The first word is green. Green. Yeah, it's the greenest, right? Green is 1 syllable, so the greenest. Let's try another one. Attractive. Attractive. Do you think of it? Good. So we'd have the most attractive. Attractive. 3 syllables. Elegant. Elegant. The car is so elegant. Good. The most elegant. Because, right, elegant. Elegant. It is 3 syllables, so the most elegant. Okay, our last one. Large. Large. The largest. The largest. Right? Large is 1 syllable. Large. Awesome. Okay, so now that we are able to understand a little bit about our comparatives and our superlatives, let's have our little review. Our comparative is for 2 items, right? We're saying this one versus this one. Bigger, smaller. Our superlatives are for 3 things or more, right? We can have the scariest, the funniest. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and type any questions down below. There are awesome creators that make tons of English videos, but I thought I would give it a go for me to see if I could make it a little easier for you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. Go ahead and subscribe if you want travel videos, sustainability, English learning hopefully, and I will see you guys soon, all right? Bye.